Hey everyone, how's it going? Hopefully well. So I'm coming at you all because something I want to do this year is try to get into doing some length checks. And looking at pictures that I've taken over the years since I started my lock journey, obviously I am able to tell that there has been some growth in my hair. There's been growth. Pretty much there has been growth, but I want to be able to track that growth now. So I actually washed my hair today and then I just got done retwisting it. It looks really good. They look really good. They feel really good. They're nice and moisturized. They look pretty healthy. And the length looks pretty good. So I figured now is a better time than ever to try to do some length checks. So I mean, I won't do them quite often, but maybe every once in a while when I do retwist, I'll check to see like what my length is. So I'm going to be using this ruler. I'm going to be using the point that's marked inches, and then I'll just pull like a couple of strands, a couple of locks, and just kind of go from there. So I'm going to start with my right side, and I'm going to maybe, let's say, just do this like corner piece right here. Hopefully you guys can see. So I'm going to line up the ruler with the hair. So as you can see, this is a 12-inch ruler. The hair kind of extends a little further out from the ruler. So, but I'm just going to say 12 inches is the length. I'm going to pull a piece from up here, and I will do the same, starting from the root, just kind of pulling it down. So this one kind of stops, where does it stop? A little bit right before 12 inches. So close to 12 inches up here in the middle. I'm going to pull a piece from the crown area. And same with that piece, just a little bit before 12 inches. I'm going to pull a piece from the very back. And this one is 12 inches and it kind of goes a little bit past 12 inches. I'll pull a piece from like the mid section in the back, well, the upper back portion, I don't know what you call it, whatever. Let's see. Okay, same thing with this. It kind of goes a little bit past the ruler. So I guess it's safe to say that my locks are about 12 inches long. Either they are a little bit longer than 12 inches or just about 12 inches. So like I said, I won't be making a habit of length checking all the time, but I think it is good at this point in my lock journey just to kind of track my progress, besides looking at my pictures and what have you, and just kind of being able to, know how the length of my locks. At some point, I probably won't even be able to use this ruler probably the next time I do this, I probably will not be able to use this 12-inch ruler. I'll probably have to use like measuring tape or something like that, just so that, as they grow a little bit longer, I can have an accurate measure. So yeah, follow me on this journey as I do my length checks. Like I said, I don't retwist quite often, but I'll try to, every time I do retwist, I'll probably just do the length checks at that point. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
McDonald.